Look at this delicious pizza. Looks yummy, right? Now, what name comes to your mind when you look at a pizza? I'm sure most of you would say Domino's. On average, Domino's sells more than 3 million pizzas each day. Amazing, isn't it? But did you know that there was a time when the Domino's building was too small for sit-down dining? So how was it able to achieve this feat? Let's find that out in this video. In 1960, Tom Monaghan and his brother took over the operation of Dominos, a small pizza restaurant chain. They had borrowed money to pay for the store and had planned to split the work hours evenly. But Tom's brother did not want to quit his job as a full-time postman to keep up with the demands of the new business. As a result, within 8 months, he traded his half of the business to Tom for the Volkswagen Beetle they used for pizza deliveries. Now, the entire responsibility of the restaurant fell on Tom. Soon, Tom too started doubting his decision of buying the pizza place, as it was making losses month after month. In order to cut down the costs, Tom decided to keep it simple and limit the pizza options. Simple menu, less inventory, less staff, faster service, and more customers. Now, this turned out to be a great idea since after months of loss making, Tom finally started to see some profits. Soon, Dominos started experimenting with free delivery across town. In times when people had to pay extra for delivery person, the idea of getting pizza delivered for free excited the customers. This made Dominos so popular that they got an offer from a pizza place to take over their shop and set up Dominos' second branch. Now, most people wouldn't take the risk to invest in a new branch in an unfamiliar location. But not Tom. Although nervous about his move, he took the risk and accepted the offer. This location was right next to the University of Michigan. And oh boy, those college students did love pizza. The second branch of Dominos was running at full capacity even through midnight. Thousands of pizza orders would flood in all day from across the campus and the neighborhood. With the success of the second branch, Tom decided to start his third branch under the same name, Dominos. But the former owner of Tom's original pizza place declared that the name belonged to him and that Tom could not use his identity. Tom found himself in a fix. One day, an employee suggested that he should rename his brand to Dominos. Tom immediately loved the idea as the name sounded much like the old one and would create a sense of familiarity amongst his customers. Thus, in 1965, Tom officially renamed the brand as Domino's Pizza. He even revamped the logo of the brand and added 3 dots to the domino in the logo, which indicated the 3 shops. Now, Tom had planned to add more dots with the increasing branches. But soon, he had to drop the idea. Just imagine, Domino's logo with more than 17,000 dots on it. Tom continued to expand the brand. He created world-class business processes, introduced top-notch ovens, conveyor belts, high-technology packaging that retained heat, transport bikes for delivery boys, and so on. In short, Domino's was ready to take over the world. But when a business grows in scale, the challenges also grow. The dominoes started to fall one after the other. Soon, the company was in huge debt. Now, in the face of overwhelming challenges, many succumb, but not the ones that have an entrepreneurial mindset. Refusing to give in to the challenges, Tom decided to focus on keeping the shops open and keeping customers happy. To do so, the franchisee were given a waiver from the franchise fee. All they had to do was to run the shop successfully for a year. This incentivized franchisors to start a business and work hard to make it a success. Soon, more and more business started flowing in, and Domino's grew to more than 1,000 branches, and the profits increased. There were outlets in every neighborhood, which helped Domino's to serve people in no time. As a result, Domino's introduced the policy of 30 minutes delivery or free pizza. Customers now enjoyed fast service and thus became loyal customers. Thus, world-class business processes, wide reach, and good customer policies helped Domino's to become the world's most famous pizza brand. So, did you find the story of Domino's inspiring? Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to visit the Empower website to learn more about entrepreneurship. Happy learning!